Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to learn with the GeoExpert application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the home screen, and here just select a map, for example the Europe, and new. You can learn countries, rivers, mountains, or monuments and wonders. And for example, new, I choose the countries, and here you can select the play mode or the study mode. New, go to the play, and here you can set the country name, and just click to the selected area. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.